In aviation, cargo refers to goods or freight that are transported by aircraft rather than passengers. There are several key aspects to cargo in aviation. 1. Types of air cargo, general cargo. Items that don't require special handling, e.g., electronics, clothing. Special cargo. Items that need specific care, such as perishables, fruits, vegetables, flowers. Live animals. Hazardous materials, pharmaceuticals, valuables, e.g., gold jewelry. 2. Types of aircraft freighter. Aircraft, planes designed specifically to carry cargo, with no passenger seats. Passenger aircraft, belly cargo. Regular commercial planes that carry cargo in the hold below the passenger cabin. Combi aircraft. Aircraft configured to carry both passengers and cargo on the main deck. 3. Cargo handling. Cargo handling involves warehousing and storage loading and unloading using equipment like dollies and containers, ULDs, unit load devices. Documentation, airway bill, customs forms. Security screening. 4. Major players, airlines, FedEx, UPS, DHL, Emirates, Sky Cargo, Qatar Airways. Cargo freight forwarders, companies that organize shipments for individuals or corporations. 5. Regulations. Air cargo is heavily regulated for safety and security, particularly for hazardous materials. International regulations are governed by bodies like ICAO, International Civil Aviation Organization, IATA, International Air Transport Association. Types of cargo aircraft. 1. Dedicated freighters, purpose-built or converted specifically to transport goods, only no passenger seats, allowing more space and weight capacity for cargo.